Got a box of old ornaments lying around? Let's turn them into 3 creative and budget-friendly hacks for your holiday party tablescape. Grab a pretty charger from Dollar Tree, flip it upside down, use the hot glue to attach 3 stacks of 2 ornaments in each stack to use as feet under the charger. These ornaments are really cool because they light up on the inside and the plastic is malleable enough that you can press it in to create a flat base. Use some hot glue to attach a small tea light on the top of the ornament. Next, cut small slips of cardstock and write your guest names on them. You could choose different colors of cardstock and ornaments to match your party decor. To make the ornament stand upright, you want to squeeze a circle of hot glue around the bottom of each ornament. Now you'll want to attach the cards to the ornament's top ring with a small dot of hot glue. Hold the card in place for around 30 seconds to let the glue set. Now you have adorable, festive place card holders that will add something extra to your holiday table and make your guests feel extra special. Who knew a few ornaments could make such a big impact on your holiday tablescape? These hacks are simple, affordable, and sure to impress your guests. Try one or all 3 at your next holiday party, and happy hosting!
I picked up one of these dollar store styrofoam rings. So all I've done is I've clipped the garland, and to secure it, we're gonna take a zip tie. So I have 2 different types of berries here. So my method of using hot glue is to use a glue skillet. So now we have some mini ornaments, and all I've done is I've added a little dollop of hot glue on the bottom, and we're just gonna work them in.
Apply a generous amount of hot glue to the tray and stick a piece of styrofoam down. Take out your tree and fluff the branches. You want to keep one side of the tree rather flat and fluff up the branches toward the other side. Next, you're going to take the first tree and stick it into the side of the styrofoam. You're going to open up the 3rd and the 4th trees and use a pair of wire cutters to cut off each of the little branches from the trunks of those trees and begin building up your centerpiece with those branches. Now is where you get to have some fun and personalize your centerpiece. Finish off your arrangement by adding some Dollar Tree Christmas ornaments wherever you want a little more color.
Scoop up a pool noodle. So to begin my project, I had these 4 brass candlesticks that I picked up at a thrift store, and I'm gonna take my pool noodle and I'm just gonna lay it across and then cut my pool noodle, and then I'm gonna take some zip ties and I'm gonna put 2 together just so they're a little bit longer, and I'm gonna zip tie the 2 pieces of the pool noodle around the candlestick. Then I'm gonna come in with some Christmas tree branches. I'm gonna stick them into the pool noodles, and then I'm gonna come in with some greenery picks that I picked up last year at my local Dollar Tree. Then I'm gonna come in with this gold glitter eucalyptus. I also got this at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna poke in a few pieces.
Take any glass vase or jar container that you have and layer the bottom with a couple of inches of greenery. Angle the ends of the greenery toward the outside of the glass. Next, grab your box of plastic wrap and start crumpling it into a bunch, but I did try to shape it into a sort of level disc. The 3rd layer consists of fresh cranberries. Take a pitcher of water and pour over the top of all the layers. You can add a tea light.
First, we're gonna start with this 9-foot flocked garland. We're gonna use some of this silver bay leaf and just work them right into the garland. Now we're gonna work in some shatterproof ornaments, and we can start hot gluing these in place too. We'll just do 1 loop with a set of tails, and I'm just gonna take that little pipe cleaner and wrap it around, and it just adds a nice little touch of ribbon.
Grab some tiny little ornaments. We're going to start with these large tongue depressors. We're going to cut those in half, and then we grabbed an embroidery hoop, and we're going to take those little pieces of wood that we cut in half, and we're going to glue them at the bottom and then hot glued it to the other side. Next, I grabbed this little wood tray and I hot glued that in. Then I grabbed my little ornaments, and I also had some little stars, and I just lined them up and glued them up one side. Then I grabbed one of my flowers and I hot glued that down at the top. Then I grabbed this little pearl branch, which was super cute. Then I grabbed a ribbon. Then I added a couple more of those pieces of wood along the bottom. Then I grabbed these cute little twinkle lights that are battery operated and added those to the centerpiece.
Head
head to Dollar Tree and pick up 2 paper towel holders, guide the centerpiece of the towel holder through the floral foam, begin adding florals to the base, stack the second paper towel holder directly on top and add more florals to it to cover the foam entirely. Take a strand of gems and attach to the top of the stacked paper towel holders, attach it to the top of the paper towel holder base.